Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CBR600RR Supersport. This bike is equipped with C-ABS brakes. Only 3,300 miles on this gorgeous racing red Honda CBR600. Fender eliminator, flush mount turn signals, low mileage ABS brakes for just $79.99. Make your super sport dreams come true. This is awesome Honda. Check out that custom seat, comfy. Come on by, check it out. We got financing, we got extended service contracts. Check us out on the web. We're at any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Beautiful bike. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.